Today we're going to talk about planting tomatoes. Now there are two different types of tomato plants. Determinate varieties like these, which grow bushy and wide and produce one crop and then they're done. So they'll produce tomatoes all at once, and when you've picked the last of them, you could pull them out of the ground. And then there are indeterminate varieties like this one, which produce fruit all season long. But these grow tall. They can get 5 feet tall or taller, and they require some sort of a support, like a tomato cage or a stake, to keep them upright and off the ground. Indeterminate tomatoes, the vining type, require some special care and some strategic pruning in order to grow their best. The first thing you should do is remove all the leaves from the lower third to lower half of the plant. And then we're going to bury the plant right up to the lower leaves. We're going to bury that stem that we just exposed. Bury it nice and deep. Now you can't do this with any other plant because the stem portion that's underground will rot and the plant will die. But tomatoes not only can tolerate this, but they like it because they'll grow sturdier and produce a better crop. And don't worry if they're leaning to one side because they will grow toward the sun. They're going to reach for that sunlight. So if you haven't already, get those tomatoes in the ground now. And in a few short weeks, you'll be slicing them up for sandwiches, putting them in salads, and my favorite, slicing them and layering them with mozzarella, basil, a little drizzle of olive oil. For Newsday, I'm Jessica Damiano.